Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Chrome history. So to start, open Chrome, then go to the three dots at the top right, then go to History and select Open History Page. So from here, you can filter them by group or by date, and you can delete it from here. So just select them, just like that. Select as many as you want, then click Delete at the top right. Click Delete once more, and all of those you selected will be deleted. You can also click the three dots right here. So click the three dots, then from here you can choose delete from history or delete bookmark. So let's click delete from history, and it is now deleted. So again, click the three dots and click delete from history. Next, you can also tap on or select delete browsing data. Then from here, so you have a lot of options. So make sure you select browsing history and choose the time frame up here. Then click delete data. So I chose last 7 days and last 7 days was deleted. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.